You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it.
So you twist this up, at least away from your face. It's not easy. You twist this up, then you go into another section. So when I'm done, that's when I will now unravel everything. Can you see how thick this hair is? Oosh. I'm not where I want my hair to be yet. I'm still in the process. You all are gonna see it. So take another section. Then you secure this one again. Look at my hair is already fully coated with water and leave-in conditioner, but I can still decide to still spray more if I notice that, to an extent, maybe it's drying up or I don't like the way it feels again. Do you get? Just like this. Then this time around I'm adding shea butter. Like I said, I think I would have mentioned it in one of my videos. You can apply shea butter, but if you don't have it handy, just make good use of your water and leave-in conditioner, or water, leave-in conditioner, shea butter, or water, leave-in conditioner, oil. Any hair growth oil of your choice or any carrier oil of your choice. Whoosh. This is what they call length. So you detangle as well. You guys should kindly watch my other videos. You understand? So that we can be monetized on time. If everybody that is watching this particular video try to watch at least 6 to 7 or 6 to 10 other videos to the end, our watch hours will really skyrocket. It's really skyrocket, eh? I've been trying my best to be very consistent, but what's consistency without people viewing your content? Just like you're just working and people are not even supporting. Do you get me? I love the way my hair is shining. Oof. This is just water, leave-in conditioner, shea butter. Even me, I'm proud of my hair and myself. I'm proud. La 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 la. So you twist just like you did the first, then you go into the other one. Yeah. Oh shit.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele, they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, joy. Make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he call my doors. No, go fumble. As that day comes, as I go, God, watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God, watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feels
The last but definitely not the least.
like a tomato, if him not dead, then he call my doors. No, go fumble. As that day comes, as I go, God, watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God, watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style.
So yeah, we're done. So just for me to unravel. Just want me to unravel the hair. And yeah, this is how my hair looks right now. Jesus. Voila, we're done. So this is what we're having. Well moisturized hair, fully detangled from tip to root, from root to tip, everything together. So yeah, this is what we're working with.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I say.
Alright guys, I remain your favorite hair coach and I'm going to see you in my next. Don't forget, I have an ebook where you can learn how to grow healthy, long, bouncy hair like this, and the link is in the description box. I would see you in my next video. Don't forget to get your ebook. Bye.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him.